Something massive just happened in the AI world, and honestly, I'm still trying to wrap my head around it. While people have been shelling out $200 plus per month for OpenAI's Sora, $95 for Runway ML, and $35 for Pika Labs, with strict generation limits, Microsoft just flipped the entire game on its head. They launched their own version of Sora, made it completely free, and put no limits on how many videos you can create. No subscriptions, no watermarks, no hidden fees, just pure unlimited AI video generation available right now, and it's absolutely unreal. Every video you're about to see was created using Microsoft's free Sora, and the quality is mind-blowing. We're talking about ultra-realistic animation, fluid motion, and cinematic visuals that rival what you'd expect from a big-budget production studio. For example, I typed in a prompt describing a cyberpunk street in Tokyo, neon signs flickering, heavy rain, reflections bouncing off the pavement, and Sora generated a video that looked like a scene out of Blade Runner. The colors, lighting, and detail were flawless. Then I tried a slower, more natural scene, a tiger walking through a snowy forest in slow motion. The fur moved naturally with each step. The snow crunched realistically, and the whole thing felt like it was captured with a high-end camera. I even pushed it further with an action prompt, a futuristic drone race at sunrise. The results? Absolutely stunning. Smooth flight sequences, realistic motion blur, and dynamic lighting as the drones zip through canyon crevices. Getting started is dead simple. First, download the Bing app from either the App Store or Google Play. Once it's installed, sign in with your Microsoft account, or create one if you don't have it already. Then, open the app, tap bottom right, and select Video Creator. Just like that, you're in. No payment prompt, no trial, nothing standing in your way. The interface is refreshingly clean. You've got a prompt box, some basic settings, and a Create button. That's it. No confusing menus, no technical hurdles, just type what you want to see, and hit go. To test it further, I entered a prompt describing a robotic chef preparing sushi in a high-tech kitchen with steam rising and LED lighting. In about 2 minutes, the video was ready, and I was floored. The robot's movement was precise, the steam looked real, and the food detail was next level. Then I tried something abstract, a dreamlike world of floating islands with waterfalls flowing into the sky and glowing wildlife. Sora didn't just get it right, it created a surreal, that breathtaking animation that looked like it belonged in a fantasy film or AAA game. There are a couple of small limitations to note. Right now, Microsoft's Sora is only available on mobile devices, iOS and Android, but they've confirmed a web version is coming soon. Also, videos are capped at 5 seconds and rendered in a vertical 9:16 aspect ratio, which is actually perfect for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. So while it's short, it's exactly the kind of content format that's dominating the internet right now. One last thing. Yes, Sora can also generate images, but it uses DALL-E 3 for that, and frankly, it doesn't compare to what you get with video. The image quality feels a bit dated, more like what we were seeing in 2022. So if you're here for powerful visuals, stick with the video side. To sum it up, Microsoft just took a sledgehammer to the paywalled AI video industry. Unlimited, high-quality video generation is now completely free, and it's available to anyone with a phone and a Microsoft account. If you're even remotely interested in content creation, storytelling, advertising, or just messing around with powerful tech, this is a game changer. No more spending hundreds on subscriptions. Just open the app and create.